If you've ever experienced a vibrating steering wheel while driving at higher speeds, you may be wondering what could be causing it. Well, there are actually several factors that can contribute to this issue. First, an imbalance in the wheels, due to uneven weight distribution, can cause the steering wheel to vibrate at higher speeds. This is a common cause of vibration and can be easily resolved by having the wheels balanced. Second, worn or damaged suspension components, like shock absorbers or struts, can also cause the steering wheel to vibrate. This not only affects the handling of your vehicle but can also be dangerous if left unaddressed. Third, if your wheels are not properly aligned, your car may pull to one side and cause the steering wheel to vibrate at higher speeds. This can also cause uneven tire wear and affect the handling and safety of your vehicle. Fourth, tires that are worn, damaged, or improperly inflated can also cause the steering wheel to vibrate. It's important to regularly check tire pressure and have your tires rotated and balanced to prevent excessive wear. Finally, brake issues such as a warped brake rotor or worn brake pads can also cause the steering wheel to vibrate, particularly when braking at higher speeds. If you're experiencing vibration in your steering wheel, it's important to have your vehicle inspected by a qualified mechanic to determine the root cause of the problem and ensure that your car is safe to drive. Don't let a vibrating steering wheel compromise your safety. Get your car inspected today.